Hey guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe. You know why? Because you don't want to miss any video. So yeah, do that. But I just got out of bed. I know I look a mess. Don't drag me. I look crazy because this is my hair in its natural state. Not under a wig or in braids. I have 4C hair. Actually, I look like my old self. It's so weird. But I literally just woke up. I finished all my schoolwork. So I was like, you know what? Might as well make a little YouTube video. So we're here today. Today's video is going to be me turning this into a top knot. A top knot. Yes. Because I like those little ponytails up at the top. They shape your face all cute. You're just like... So I'm going to show you how to put your 4C hair in a top knot. Yes. So to start off, the materials you'll need. Well, let's start off with the basics. I'm sorry, I got something in my contact. So you'll need a flat iron. If you don't want any waves, no anything, you want it straight and you want it to blend with hair you're adding in, because yes, I will be adding in hair. I can put my own hair in a top knot, but I don't want the natural look. I want the relaxed look, you know what I mean? But I always rock my natural hair in top knots or in ponytails, like 6 ponytails, you know. I always do that, but today I don't really want to. I want the relaxed look. So, you'll need a flat iron to flat iron your hair. It doesn't need to be completely straight. It just needs to be straight enough as to where the got-to-be free spray can hold it in place and not, it won't curl back up. It just needs to be that straight. You can actually do it while it's blow dried, but if you really want that relaxed look, you'll probably need it to be like super straight. So that's why I use my flat iron. This is a Remington flat iron. It works so well. You need a comb to comb out this hair and a brush. Now what we're gonna do, we're not gonna put any water, any like type of conditioner in it. I conditioned my hair for like a good hour before, like a day before I made this, and well, yesterday. And I like moisturize it. It's all nice and moisturized, but it's dry because I put it in pin curls. And this is what it looks like from like me getting out the shower without a shower cap. This is what it looks like. Okay, so what you'll need is this got-to-be free spray, and then after the free spray, you'll need the styling gel, the yellow bottle. I don't know about the black bottle. I only use the black bottle when I do my wigs and stuff. So I don't know. And then I also use a Smooth and Repair High Shine Gloss, just so when everything is like smoothed up, I could put the gloss on there and it gives it like the glassy look without putting the plastic wrap on there, just, you know, a little bit of shine so it won't look all dry. Alright, so to start off, to get it all tamed and whatnot, we're just going to part it down the middle. And then take the other side, and you'll need a thingy. We're just gonna use this. I didn't want to use this because it has a lot of wig hair on it. So then you want to section this off, put in a little ponytail. Boom, dunzo. So the fact that my hair is like up, I feel like I don't need to section this part off. So this is the part that we're going to start flat ironing. So to start flat ironing, I'm going to pull it up, but then take the back down. This part right here. And I'm going to split this part into two. Now I kind of feel like I need to section it off. Okay, we'll find another freaking scrunchie to try to... This actually is a look though. That's cool. That's cute. I'm going to take this part. See, I'm not going to spray with any water because we're going to hit it with the flat iron. So when I comb my hair out, start at the end. When I comb it out, it's going to give that dry, blow-dried look because the rods, the flexi rods, I put flexi rods in it. it kind of straightened it out because it was like really kinky before I put them in, so they kind of straightened them out. So me curling these curls out is gonna give my hair that blow dry look. See? Kind of sort of blow dry. You know, it's just a little straight. So now we're gonna turn a flat iron on. It's on 370 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. 370. It was flipped. That was stupid. So we're gonna keep it on 370. We're not gonna go any higher because I don't want to really heat damage my hair. I love my hair, even though I treat it so badly. My poor hairline from these wigs. Oh my god, I don't have any edges. But that's really the only part of my hair that I treat bad. It stays in braids. It stays moisturized most of the time. But when I wear it out, oh my god, it is gelled up like crazy. So while we're waiting for our flat iron to heat up, we're gonna part this into two, and then we're only gonna flat iron this piece. So I'm gonna take a clip, just a tiny clip. I'm gonna clip this back piece to the top of our head, going with that comb one more time, just to make sure we get all the kinks out. Alright, that's about as flat as it'll go. Now this is how long my hair is. It's not that long, but you know, it'd be like that. So I'm just basically gonna repeat this process. You can watch me if you want. I'm just kidding. You're gonna watch me anyways because I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. So I'm just gonna repeat this whole process around my head, and I'm gonna come back when my whole head is like flat ironed and finished. I'm probably gonna listen to music, probably watch TV. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So for right now, we're just gonna, yeah. Okay, now that our hair is all flat ironed, as you see, my hair can't get very flat because it is very thick. I can't really flat iron my hair to like, you know what I mean. I can't get it to be like flat, but it's straight, but it's just not like a flat. All right, so now that it's all like in its place or whatever, you know, we're gonna take, actually I'm gonna use this. This is a wide, we're gonna take our wide comb. This is what I comb my wigs with. So we're gonna take this comb. We don't need this part since we're gonna do a top knot. We can take it, comb all our hair up. We can form it into a ponytail. Let's see where I want it to sit. Kind of want it to sit like right here. Yeah, I think that's cute. Okay, so now that it's sitting up where we want it, we can go ahead and take our freeze spray. just want to work it in to the perimeter until it dries. So before it dries, you want to brush it up. Alright, so now that we hit it with the spray, I'm going to take my hair wax and I'm going to hit the back of my head to get that kitchen. Now with hair wax, this is that. Now we got our knot. See, our head is all laid. So now that our ponytail's in, I'm gonna take our gloss spray a little bit in our hands, and then work it up. Dabble that all around. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this piece of hair around itself. So now we got a little bun at the top. This concludes my video. I hope you liked it. I don't know if this was, it could be a tutorial, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. Hit that bell to turn my notifications on and get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.